Alright guys, we're going to take our first little ride with the Engwe T14, and here it is in all its glory. But right off the bat, I did find a little something going on here, okay? So, I got this piece of styrofoam from the packing kind of stuffed right here because the battery, it rattles. Kind of like a little design flaw, I believe. They didn't put any cushion right here or something, so the battery just like going back and forth here, it just like rattles like crazy right there. So I stuffed this little piece of packing in there to alleviate that. So we'll take off and we'll ride, and then we'll see where it goes from there. But the rest of the bike looks real nice. So all right guys, so let's do our first ride here with the Engwe. Okay, the Engwe has a very nice seat. Okay, real nice seat. Wow, these brakes are really nice, man. Wow, holy cow. Hold on. Oh yeah, wow, real quiet. Now it's very windy today. Wow. So we're gonna go up this hill right here with no pedaling. Now I did the unlock already on the speed, so I don't know if it took or not, but we're gonna find that out in a second when we get up there on the flat part. So let's go up the hill here. Ooh. Well, it doesn't seem like it's going very fast, to be honest with you. Actually, it's barely making it up this hill. Probably one of the slowest bikes I ever took up this hill, actually. Okay, so well, obviously the speed unlock didn't work. Okay, so we're still only getting the 14 miles an hour or whatever it is for the So we're up here on the flat part, and this will give us an idea of the speed. There. 14. Yeah, that's what it does out of the box. I'm on the flat part of the thing now, so 14, yeah, 14.5. So that's going to be your stock speed, which is okay for the trails. But I wanted to get it unlocked, which I am going to try again. And so the way you do that is you turn it off. You hold the throttle and the brake in at the same time. You turn it on, and you wait for 25 seconds. All right, so that didn't do any good. And I actually did it like 12 times while I was off camera. It didn't do any good at all. So all right, so we're still at the 14. So, all right. And then I hear this popping noise back here. You hear that? Let's stop and check that out now. Nice looking bike. So far, I like the X5 better. I'll just let you know that right off the bat. Even though the X5 didn't have a headlight, so what, right? The X5 went 20 miles an hour, and the X5 and this one have the same battery, same size battery. But this has these shocks here, and I'm almost going to guarantee you that's what's making that popping noise, is these shocks. Every time you hit a bump, they like collapse. So I'm going to order some new shocks for that. So we'll show you those when they come in. Guess I'll have to work on the speed unlock. So far, I'm not having any luck doing it. I'm gonna try it one more time here. I mean, it just seems just like the other Engwe, except the speed is an issue because I can't get the speed unlocked. I mean, this bike would be fine for, you know, a Jetson, you know, but I was expecting a little bit more from it, because it said it would unlock to 20 miles an hour. And then that popping of them shocks, which I'm not really gonna worry so much about that because they're cheap shocks. So I'm gonna order a pair of, you know, a little bit better shocks. This would be okay for the trail. Could take a nice trail ride with this if it only does the 14, which, you know, I did a lot of trail rides with the Jetson. It only does 14, so I mean 14 is not the, it's not a deal breaker, but it just, you know, so I'd rather have the 20. Okay, so let's just put it that way. I'd rather go 20 than 14. Oh, wait a minute, it just went up to 15. Holy, oh, 16. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe I did unlock something there. Maybe that was just the GPS coming in and out too, you know, so you never know. So we'll see. There's 15. Maybe I should lose a couple pounds. Well, I did quit guzzling that Coke. I really cut back on the amount of Coke I drank. Not that I'm trying to lose weight. Okay, so maybe that was just the GPS tricking me over there. So, boy, I'll tell you, that's some really nice feeling brakes here, man. Wow. Holy tamale, these brakes feel great. Real nice. So maybe maybe we can work with it. Maybe I'll go on the forums and try to figure out what the speed unlock. I tried it a bunch of times here, guys, off camera, and it didn't do anything. Well, it's not the slowest bike in the world, but close to it. There we go with that 14.8 again, 14.9. So that's what you're going to get. If you can't get it unlocked, that's what you're getting. Just so you know. Don't be disappointed. We'll just, it'll be a work in progress here, a work in progress. Let's go get a full charge on it. And I did charge it up for the most part, but then I was running it in the house, hot running the motor, you know, up on the milk crate type deal, and putting the clamp on the throttle and ran some of the battery down just to check the motor out, see if it was getting hot or anything. So I just do those kind of things off camera. I'm not gonna bother people with that stuff. You know, just like those drone motors, when I get a new drone, I test them out. I test to see if those motors get hot too. So I do the same thing with the bikes. It rides really nice and the seat's very comfortable. And then don't forget, I can put that 15 amp hour battery in here also from the EBike. These have swappable batteries. So I would have the 15 amp hour from the EBike and then the 10 amp hour from here. So I have 25 amp hours to go out on the trail. But of course, the EBike goes 18 or 20, so I can take this battery and put it on that. So